morning, guys. I just wanted to get on here and do a day in the life of a pharmacy technician student, so I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, my morning consists of dropping the kids off first, and then I come back home to finish getting ready. It's just easier for me this way to make sure that I am taking care of them first and then getting myself together later on. I do have a set schedule that I can make up for my school, so I don't have to follow a specific schedule, so that does give me a little leniency. But a little bit of makeup and then I'm ready to go. Here I'm just going to start making my iced coffee. I try to do this every morning. It's just something that really gets my day going. This cute little ice tray was from Pop Shelf and it was on sale for only $1, so of course I had to get this adorable little ice tray. Of course, the coffee that I get is from H-E-B. It is the unsweetened dark coffee, and then I just add some of my hazelnut creamer into it. I try to stay away from as much sugar as possible. I'm really trying to limit that and really start focusing on eating better, and that also includes what I consume with liquids. Just adding a little bit of vanilla flavoring into my coffee, it just adds a little bit more of a good taste to it. And that's pretty much how I make my iced coffee. Now I also like to get all the natural lighting into the morning, start my day with worship music or an audio book of the Bible playing, and then looking at my little quotes that I put on my refrigerator, making sure I have all of my stuff ready to go. I almost grabbed my child's alligator toy. That would have been fun. But grabbing my coffee, gotta have that coffee. Now usually before I even take off, I have to get my music going, make sure everything is good. Just got to the pharmacy. I'm about to start my day, about to get my hours in for the day. So of course I can't actually record inside the pharmacy itself, but I'm going into the break room to put my stuff up. This was a nice little view of my drive back home.